We are at the farm of Dennis Smith, located in the west of the Netherlands, in the province of Zeeland. Our group of advisors is visiting Dennis to exchange knowledge on the role of cover crops in climate-smart farming systems.
Cover crops are widely used as a climate mitigation, but also as climate adaptation measure within the Netherlands. For mitigation, it's really important because it captures the carbon from the air and it stores it into the soil. But for adaptation, it's really important because the soil structure improves the soil health and therefore the water holding capacity of the soil improves also.
Another key advantage is erosion control. Cover crops protect the soil from heavy rain, reducing runoff and preserving valuable nutrients.
My farm is part of the Climate Farm Demo Network. We grow potatoes, onions, winter wheat, sugar beets, chicory and grass. I also grow cover crops.
Dennis has been experimenting with different cover crops for years.
I grow cover crops because I think they are good for the soil, because they feed the soil life. And also the green manure is good for catching carbon out of the air to put it in the ground.
He carefully selects varieties based on their growth, their ability to withstand frost, and how easily they decompose in winter.
I select them by how big they grow. I don't want to have it very big, because then you have to mulch too much in spring. And I also look if they are getting dead by the frost, and I want that, because then I have less to mulch in spring.
One of the challenges of using cover crops is ensuring they do not interfere with planting or seeding schedules.
This is the wedge. I have done the wedge 4 years, and every year it's good. I can plant the potatoes. And I'm also trying other cover crops, and this year I am testing a mixture of sunflowers, clovers and phacelia to look if that's better for the potato yield.
Close to the farm of Dennis, the two Dutch advisory companies, FarmPlus and Delphi, have set up a field trial with different cover crops.
We're here at the yellow mustard. It was used a lot 20 years ago, but the last years we are more advising the mixtures, because you have different kind of plants in the mix. And one year this plant will grow good and the other year the other one.
An example of such a mixture is Solarigol from TerraLife. It is specifically designed for potato cultivation. It contains various legumes such as blue lupin and vetch, as well as niga and linseed, which help repel slugs. Another example is N-Fix from TerraLife, which freezes off effectively, ensuring easy incorporation into the soil after winter. With approximately 48% legumes, this mixture supports excellent nitrogen fixation. Additionally, plants like sunflower, sorghum, phacelia, and niga contribute to improved soil structure and increased organic matter.
Thanks to the whole system of green manure and cover crops, I see the yield is increasing, and also the crops are getting better through stress periods.
That's why the Dutch farmers are using more and more cover crops.